Hello everyone, I am Mihirab Rabbi, founder of RM Academy. Today I discuss the capital budgeting of finance. In the capital budgeting chapter, there are many terms. First of all, know the money stream. Money stream is two types. First type is yearly stream or annuity stream, and second type is mixed stream. When the cash flow of liquidity rate comes through in a year, it is called annuity stream cash flow, and when the cash flow of money comes in the different figure in a year, we said it mixed stream cash flow. Now I discuss a simple math of this chapter. Suppose it is a Green Delta insurance company is investing 2 lakh amount of money. It is expected life is 5 years, and there is no salvage value for this project. In this project there are cash flow is 10,000 taka in annuity stream, and the requirement is calculate its cash flow after tax CFAT, and the tax rate is 40%. And when they are in question, the tax rate is given, we guess it is CFBT mode, অর্থাৎ cash flow before tax, and when the tax rate is not given, we assure that it is CFAT. And when we calculate this figure, first of all we take a column, which column has 7 parts. First of all is year, then it is CFBT, then tax, it comes EBT, sorry, it is depreciation, EBT, then the tax rate, and there's EAT, and its column name is CFAT. See my student, follow it carefully. When the CFBT figure is given, we deducted it from depreciation. It finds CFAT, sorry, EBT, and EBT is reducted in tax, we found EAT. Then we adding EAT in the depreciation part, then we found that CFAT. Here EAT is given in the adding part of depreciation, we found CFAT figure, that means cash flow after tax, and finding the CFAT, we providing the value, the net cash benefit, and when we found the value of TPV of CFAT, we found the NPV figure, when we calculate the NPV, this figure is required. Calculate NPV is NCB, means cat benefit. This NCB is TPV of CF80. Is deducted from PV of NCO. When the TPV of CF80 is deducted from the PV of NCO, we found the value of net present value or NPV of this section. So the Green Delta Insurance Limited's NPV is found in this formula. So dear student, next class I will discuss the payback period method, second IRR method, that is mean internal rate of return, and third the MIRR method, that's mean modified internal rate of return. So take care, thank you, bye bye.